Hello guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to properly cut your video clips in Alight Motion, plus reduce lag and glitches tutorials for beginners, so that they can improve and become professionals like others. So let's start the tutorial without wasting your precious time. Add your Twixtor. After adding the Twixtor, cut your clips like this so that your Alight Motion doesn't lag. While editing with this, everything from the left side will get cut like this, and by doing this, everything on the right side will be cut in a similar way, like left side, and finally with this, your clip will be cut in half like this. But all of this is not important. The most important part is this. Whenever you cut your clips, zoom in between your cut clips like this, and check if your clip length is slightly over the other clip like this. If it is, then reduce the clip length like this to prevent lagging in Alight Motion while editing and avoid glitches. That if you do the things that I told you just now, then I'm 100% sure that your Alight Motion lag and glitches will not happen again. Alright? Cutting clips is done now. It's time to teach you about how to make transition in Alight Motion. So, you want this? It's very easy. Follow my steps, click on plus icon, and add null. And follow my steps.
What do you think of that, L? This is my perfect victory! That's right! I win!
僕がキラだ。俺には何も聞かず、何も要求しないこと。起きろ。強い俺を。なるほどね。システムは俺を利用し、俺はシステムを利用する。
Just copy my graph.
忘れてたよ。なら、お前らだってそれなりの覚悟があるってことだよ。お前たちのハンターなら、パラレル核群ができてるはずだよなって聞いてんだ。強者だけが生き残るのであれば。
世界に痛みを。神羅転生。
何度も何度も何度も何度も何度も何度もいい加減おとなしく切られやがれ。サスケ、お前は俺にとっての新たな光だ。カトン、
ありがとうだってばよ。空遁螺旋手裏剣。螺旋丸。
うちはサスケ。
うちょんまどろだ。
俺が本物の渦巻きになると。だってばよ。だってばよ。やれやれ。
And make sure add effect. Add tiles, motion, blur.
Arise.
Thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe. Bye.